Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Max from Glovistar. Welding work. You must have faced such a problem. Traditional welding work usually produces huge spark and smoke. This kind of work not only requires experienced operators, but also requires them to work in bad environment. Companies face high labor costs, but it is still difficult to recruit experienced operators. In addition, we need to consider how to save money. In order to solve all of these problems, Glovistar GSW series handheld welding machine responds. Let's take a look.
GSW series handheld laser welding machine is small and portable. It's easy to learn and operate with the advantages of high quality, high precision, high efficiency, high speed, and low deformation. It handles thick, thin, and different thickness combinations of reflective metals and even welds dissimilar metals of different electrical conductivity. Compared with conventional welding, our laser welding equipment is up to 4 times faster with low input and small heated effect zone, producing high-quality welds without distortion, deformation, undercut, or burn through. It can also effectively reduce sparks and dust generated during welding, providing a better working environment for operators. The material is formed once, no secondary processing is required, reducing scrap and lowering the production cost.
The welding speed and diversity of materials are unbelievable. Now the efficiency has increased and the cost has been reduced. So amazing!
By adjusting the control panel, the laser power can be quickly switched from 15 watts to 1,500 watts to best match the production needs. And there are 6 welding modes to choose from. Wobble welding controls for frequency and width create wider and high-quality seams up to 5 mm.
So first of all, having engaged in welding for so many years, I have never seen a beginner who can learn to weld so quickly, and the effect of welding is so good.
The operation of the welding equipment is very easy. Inserting the key and simple settings get you up and running fast. GSW handheld welding machine is small and portable, easy to learn and operate with the advantages of high quality, high precision, high efficiency, high speed, and low deformation.